Hi, hello, good day to everyone. It's me again and welcome to LUTONG SARI SARI TV. In today's video, I really love to share this quick and simple recipe of cooking delicious chicken wings, which is called braised sweet soy chicken wings or Swiss wings. In fact, this dish are cooked in sweet soy sauce with herbs. Kaya mga friends, stay tuned lang po kayo and keep on watching. According to the Chinese Wikipedia research, there was a funny story spread around. The recipe of Swiss wings was invented by a man named Chu Lao Kao, who owned Tai Ping Kun restaurant in Hong Kong that was inaugurated in 1860. That said, a foreign visitor asked one of their waiters what the name of the recipe was. The waiter answered, "Sweet wings." Due to the problem of communication, the visitor took it as Swiss wings. So the name of Swiss wings in Chinese has been used and circulated around since then. Actually, nalinis ko na ito ng maliit na nila. Binabaglawan na lang natin siya ngayon. And then, kailangan natin ng ginger at saka spring onion. Some slices of ginger. Maliliit lang to guys. Tapos, spring onion. Okay na yung one sprig. Yung isang tangkay. Ayan, pag kumulo na siya, ilagay na natin ang ating ginger. And next, ang ating spring onion. Ayan, and then nilagay na natin ang ating chicken wings. I-blanch natin siya mga guys kasi para matanggal yung blood na nakalagay. Para hindi rin siya malansa pagluto natin ng sweet chicken wings. Pakulo natin siya within 2 to 3 minutes. Depende sa size ng manok. Depende sa size ng chicken wings. Kung medyo malaki, kayo na lang po yung mag-adjust. Basta ang purpose natin dito is to blanch and remove the blood on the chicken wings. Ayan, kumukulong na siya. Very simple siya guys. At napakasarap nito pag naluto siya. Ayan. Hahanguin po natin at ililipat natin siya in cold water. This is to make the chicken wings smooth and silky pag niluto natin mamaya. Mainit. Ayan, dapat nakalubog siya sa water. Cold water. Ayan po natin siyang ibabad ng 10 minutes. Ayan, set aside natin ng 10 minutes. then, lalagyan na natin yung at least 1 tablespoon na mixed herbs. Mix natin siya. After 10 minutes, alisin na natin yung tubig. Yan na ating chicken wings. Ayan. Yan, i-boil natin ang ating sauce kanina. Ilipat natin siya guys kasi maliit yung kanina. So, nilagay natin siya sa mas malaking saucepan. Ayan, pag nag-start na siyang kumulo, isa-isa ang ating chicken wings. Kasi dapat wide siya para nakalubog lahat. Para pantay-pantay siya na maluto. At yung sauce ma-absorb ng gusto ng chicken wings. Ganyan lang siya kasimple guys. Tapos, ayan lang natin siyang kumulo for 8 to 10 minutes. And then, pag nag-start na siyang mag-sticky yung sauce niya, low heat natin mamaya. Ayan guys, lubog na siya. Make sure na lahat ng manok ay nakalubog sa sauce. Ayan. Ito na ang ating sweet chicken wings o Swiss chicken wings. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya ng takip and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Check natin. Baliktarin natin para. Ayan. Nag-umpisa na siyang maging sticky guys yung sauce. Bango. Bango ng herb. Sarap. Sarap ng amoy. Yan. Medyo patuyuin natin yung sauce para mas masarap. Alalay lang tayo sa apoy guys. Baka matuyuan or masunog. Ayan na siya ngayon guys. Ang sarap. Medyo patuyuin pa natin siya ng konti. Mga kalutong Sari Sari TV. Smooth and shiny yung kanyang naging result. Dahil nga, after natin siyang ma-blanch, nilagay natin siya sa cold water and we soak it for 10 minutes. Ayan.
This dish is so delicious. And to make this dish tasteful, the basic idea is to get the sauce a bit more salty than you would like your chicken wings tasted. The flavor of marinade would penetrate through the chicken meat through the process of simmering, then your wings would be just cooked perfectly to your taste. Thank you for watching. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. and may you learn something new. If you guys have any suggestions or questions, please feel free to comment on the comment section down below. And please don't forget to like and share this video to our friends and family. Stay safe, stay healthy, to stay wealthy. Bye!